Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around.
Okay, oh my god. Hi guys, hi everyone. Actually, I'm being a bit more dramatic. Who the hell is that? So yeah, the reason why I am doing this intro here is because, guys, I'm participating in Vlogmas. For some odd reason, I just made up my mind right now that I will participate in Vlogmas. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do the 25 days of Christmas, the whole daily vlogs. No, because I currently work and I have a lot of things going on in my life, so I don't really think that's going to be possible to do the 25 days of Christmas. That's daily vlogs. But what I will assure you is that we're going to have 12 days of Christmas. So essentially, before 25th of December, yes, before 25th of December, we're going to roll out 12 vlogs, 12 videos. Okay, so December 1st, which means in some, like, maybe next week, you have like 4 videos, another week 4 videos or 3 videos. Do you understand? So you have more videos. That's basically what it is, and it's going to be 12 days of Christmas. Okay, and I'm so excited because I wanted to participate, but I knew that the whole 25 days thing, daily vlogs, it won't cut. I'm sorry, I won't be able to come through for you guys. It's already hard as it is to be able to mix everything, work, YouTube. And YouTube is priority, don't get me wrong. It's my first prize, my first baby, is my love, and I really love like how far I've come this year. But right now there's just a lot on my plate. I have like things going on. I probably will share, maybe you guys will get to see what's happening. But I doubt. I never actually share my work here. Anyway, so yeah, this is why I am starting this video here. I have been vlogging. I was vlogging last week, but because we're trying to make things work, I am starting this video and I'm going to roll in clips of like videos that I have been shooting for the past 3 days or so I will put that there, and I hope you guys enjoy. Today is day 1, so this is December 1st. You're watching this on the 1st of December, so Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. I'm excited. I'm actually excited. And yeah, Merry Christmas. It's going to be an awesome, an amazing month. It's the end of 2023, and I'm really excited because this year a lot of things happened for me. Actually. So I'm excited. I'm actually grateful. So this is me wrapping up the year, trying to like bring everything together. So I hope you guys enjoy the 12 days of Christmas. Today is day 1. I'll see you on day 2. I'm excited. I don't even know why I'm excited, but I'm excited. Yeah, I'm going to day now. I'm going to go, and I got a new carpenter, guys. Not because the old one had any problem. He actually does not have any problem, but I am doing my bed frame, and like, the price is calling for me. It's like he wants to use me to build house in Abuja. That's essentially what he's doing, because the table and chair were expensive, but this one is on a whole other level. I'm like, wait, I priced other people and it's not as pricey, so I like him, but my guy, the money, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I like your first work, but it's not enough for me to spend that money on just a bed frame. So yeah, I'm going to Day, which is extremely far. Right now it's like I think an hour journey. I want to go and what's it called? I want to go and see the carpenter I got there. So I want to go and see him, and also see the board that's going to be used. Aside that, I also have some work to finish up, so I'll be doing that while I'm in the car. And yeah, essentially that's what's happening today. I'm also going to go to a cafe after that to go and try to, like, get myself together and tie up, like, hold on, and try to tie up loose ends, all the extra work that I have that's been pending. Let me try and finish it. So yeah.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if we won't be here next year.
Hi babes. Hi vlog, welcome to a new vlog. First of all, your girl is breaking out real bad. Like, take a look at this. What is this? What's going on? This is hormonal breakouts, by the way, because my period is around the corner, so this is already happening. I hate it so much, pisses me off. I tried to max yesterday. Whenever you see this, this is a sign that I max. I always dirty my brushes whenever I do this. So messy. I try to kind of exfoliate my skin. Hopefully this whole ordeal ends really quick, because I hate acne. Acne pisses me off. I've had like a severe acne breakout one point in my life, and I hated it so much. It hurts, it doesn't look good, I can't wear makeup comfortably, and I need to film today, so I'll see if I can work with it sharp. Anyways, I'm back from the gym. I stopped by at the supermarket. I stopped by at the supermarket to kind of buy some things. I got I always shop all my skincare from Tulip. Yeah, I buy most of my skincare from them. The ones that they don't have, then I have to find a different store. So I got this face facts. Yeah, so I got this face facts foaming cleanser. I used to use the gentle hydrating cleanser, but they did not have that, so I had to buy this one, and we're gonna see how it works. They said this one is for oily skin. That one is not for oily skin. So it's funny to me because I think I have oily to combination skin. So how have I been using the one that is not for oily skin? Hopefully, they know what they are saying, because the person seemed like she did not actually know what she was saying. She was like kind of skipping when she was answering me. I got it for 6,000. So yeah, and I like it because, see, for the price point, my friend introduced me to this. No, she's a skincare guru and enthusiast, so yeah, check her out if you want to, like, get skincare recommendations and things to use for your skin. I like this product because of the price. I'm not gonna lie, this is me being a cheapskate, because I like it because of the price, and it's so huge. This is 400 ml. Yes, it works on my skin. Honestly, the only she told me, she's like, you can use any cleanser. What matters is like the serums and every other thing you lay on the skin. As long as you have a good cleanser that takes the dirt out of your skin, basically you're good. So why spend thousands and thousands of naira to buy cleanser? This opinion might change. This opinion might change in future when we have more money. But for now, yeah, I do like it. 400 ml works really well, and it lasts, guys. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. I'm gonna try and eat, and then I will talk to you guys. Hi babes, so I was cooking, and then I was like, hold up, why am I not vlogging? So I picked up my camera, even though what I'm making is something I've made here, I think twice. Yeah, I was like, okay, even though I've done it before, let me still do it. I already have my pasta, I have the chicken breast. I already tried to, like, I don't know, is it tenderize it? I used what they call this, an akodo. No, it's not akodo, hold on, rollers, turning something. I used to use this to bake before. Not me, my friend. She was the one that got it when I was in my first place. I don't bake, guys. Yeah, I won't bake. I'm not really about that life. So I already tried to tenderize it. It's nothing pretty. I forgot that I was supposed to, take you guys along, but I just use it to, like, I put a Ziploc bag on it, or you can put a nylon, whatever, and then just hit it so that the meat can be soft. This one has bones, so that's why I even did that. Then for my spices, I have what do I have in here, guys? First of all, some of my spices were open, so my garlic, my onion powder, they kind of got congealed because of the weather. I'm gonna season the chicken with the combined spices. But honestly, I'm a big lover of fine dining. I'm a big lover of fine things. And I strongly believe that you don't have to have all the money in the world to give yourself the best. If I have just 5k, guys, I'm going to use it to make something really nice. Honestly, I feel like one of my talents is making things look good. I think that's one of my calling, or one of my, talents in this world, is like I have an eye for making things look good. I feel like it's not even as pronounced as it should be because I don't show you guys everything about my life. But honestly, sometimes, like, there are things that I would do and I would just be like, even me, I'll be like, girl. So I don't know if I told you guys, but never Abby, there's no light. There's no light, so I can't film today, which is sad, but it's alright. We're gonna film. We'll try and film tomorrow, hopefully. Fingers crossed. That is, of course, if there's light by tomorrow, or you know what? I might just film. I might end up filming in the middle of the night because I don't want wahala. I don't have energy for all this nonsense. So yeah, I want to fry the chicken now. I'm gonna fry it with low oil. I've taken the chicken out. This is what it is looking like. It looks so good and it tastes good because I took a bite and it's so good, guys. I removed the buns part. I don't know why I allowed it to burn today, but I'm gonna go ahead and glaze it with ketchup. I'm out of ketchup, as you can see, but I have this little thing on it, and like I said, it's experimental, so I just want to layer it on. I say layer. Is it layer? I be glaze. Yeah, so into the same oil that the chicken has infused, these juices, the spices, we're going to add a little more oil and we're going to cook inside it. So I'm going to add more oil. Onion and garlic is so simple, but the aroma, oh my god. Hi guys, let me take this back so that we can get more depth because I'm just so in the camera's face. Yeah, ciao. Yeah, hi guys. So this turban you're saying is not fashion. I know it looks like fashion, but it's not fashion. This is to hide my shame, which is my hair at this point. The Hamatan is dealing with me. Am I the only one? If you're in Abuja, let me know. Am I the only one who is already feeling the Hamatan? It's here, and my nose is suffering. My skin is also really dry. I overhydrated my skin today. I hope you can see the shine because I'm going through it. I like Hamatan, but sometimes it just be doing too much. Anyways, I'm going house hunting. My friend, she's house hunting. She has been house hunting. She has a 9 to 5, so I am the one who has like a flexible schedule. That's really the upside to remote jobs. The only upside to working for yourself and working remotely is like a flexible schedule. But aside that, every other thing, guys, it's a scam. It's a big fat scam. So yeah, I want to go and help her check out a house. Hopefully this is the last stop, because even me, I'm tired. Like, she's been doing this for like 3 months. It can be so exhausting. House hunting can be so exhausting. Speaking of housing, the agent that I put in the description box of the housing video, I think there are two, but one has been getting so much. Anyways, I'm the one that keeps recommending that one. But he called me yesterday and he was like, CJ, these people, the people that keeps coming to me, their budget is not it. It's not exactly it. I feel like I'm going to talk about it because guys, housing is quite expensive. Like, you have to have a budget. You actually have to have a budget to be able to see a good place right now. That said, let's head out. I forgot my phone. I forgot my other phone inside the house. How will I listen to my music? Let go. I'm having hot water. Guys, the days leading up to my period is usually the worst. Like, the worst. My period has not started, but the pain, oh my god. The pain is insane, it's terrible. I wish I had tea. I really, really wish I had tea. Now I'm having to take hot water. It's the closest to tea that I can have. But I wish now I know I actually have to buy tea and keep in the house, so that when times like this come up, I will just have tea, lemon, things to drink. But for now, hot water I'll have to do. I want to make breakfast. It's almost 12 noon. It's 11:26. The noise. Yeah, I slept. I think, what time did I end up sleeping yesterday? I think I slept around 5 a.m. in the morning, early hours of the morning, around 5. Yeah, that's when I slept. Early hours of this morning, around 5. And I woke by 9. I woke by 9 a.m. So today, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to edit. I'm going to edit because my period is. Guys, I'm so sorry. Mm, God, I hate this. I hate this so much. I hate when there's so much noise. I hate when there's so much background noise. I am completely sorry about it, because this one, you are definitely going to hear it. Next week is December, guys. That is insane. Am I right? Next week, Friday, 1st of December. I'm excited. I'm excited. I don't even know why I'm excited, because I want to do Christmas decorations this year. I want to do some things, nothing too deep or nothing too serious, because I'm not about to spend so much money this Christmas to try to redecorate, since I'm already renovating the house. But I don't know. I feel a type of way. I just feel like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just in a good mood. I know that good things are gonna happen this Christmas, so good things are gonna happen, and I'm excited for the new year.